Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import your branding from just your website URL. And let's start. I'm going to paste my prompt and click on here. After that, I'm going to choose import from your website with AI. And for the brand, I'm going to use our partner, Zapier, and click on extract brand. And right now, Decktopus AI is creating our blueprint. Outline has created. I am clicking on generate presentation. And voila, Decktopus AI has created a branded presentation just from website URL and it looks good. Setting up your brand in presentation tools usually means copy-pasting hex codes, uploading logos, and guessing fonts, but not anymore. Decktopus can pull your branding straight from your website and link in the caption. What are you waiting for?